Hey, what's going on, everybody? So, my name is Arturo Lopez, and today I'm going to talk to you guys about what I do at work, and I'll share a little bit about my story. Yeah, so to start it off, I'm originally from Mexico. I was born in Michoacan, and then I came here at the age of 6 to the US, came here to Santa Rosa, and I grew up here. I went to school here and everything, and then once I finished up high school, I started going to the JC and I took classes, I explored, I did a bunch of things there, and then I transferred to UC Santa Cruz after 5 years of being at the JC. And then the whole reason why it took me, a little more than I think average is because I was trying out different things and trying to like see what I wanted to do for my career. But once I realized what I wanted, I transferred to UC Santa Cruz, and then I got my bachelor's in computer science in 2019. Yeah, so at the time when I graduated college, I didn't have a job lined up yet, but I was ready to work and try to like land that opportunity. So I went back home and started doing a bunch of studying, a bunch of research, trying to prepare myself for interviews. And at the time, I started working in construction because I still needed a job. And I did that for about 4 or 5 months until I got something at Accenture. So I interviewed with Accenture for I think like 4 interviews or something. And then at the end of it all, they gave me a job offer. So I took that offer and I was super excited, super stoked. Accenture is a consulting firm, huge and really big in the tech space. So I was super excited to join. And so yeah, I've been with Accenture for a little over a year now. It's been a lot of fun. I've been learning a whole lot of things and just trying to like pick up as much as I can. So at Accenture, what I do is I'm a tech analyst and I'm a software developer. So usually on a day-to-day basis, I'm writing code, building software. And right now we're doing a data migration project. I do data engineering, and so what that means is like most of the time I'm working with SQL, I'm working with databases, and I'm working with Python a lot. So that's usually like my tech stack that I use at work. And on the day to day, like what it looks like for me is I log in the morning, I check my emails, check my chats, and then once I'm like settled down, then I start like completing my tasks that are set for me. So usually it will have like a check in with the team, and we'll like see like what we're working on, what we accomplished, what we're stuck on, if we're stuck on anything, and what we're gonna work on going forward. And so yeah, that's usually what it entails, my what my day to day looks like. Yeah, so on my side business, I also do web and mobile development. So, for example, if clients are trying to launch a website for their business, or they're trying to launch an app, some idea that they have, they want to put it on the app store. I help clients do that too. So, yeah, that because it's my own side business, like it's on my own thing, like I do end to end processes. So, I do the designing, I do the development, the testing, the launching, and I do all that for my clients. Yeah, so that's a little bit about me, and I just want to end it off by like giving some quick tips that I think that will help you guys. So the first one being that one of the most important things I think in getting a job and like landing that career that you want is network. Like the people that you know, the people that know you, like getting into the door like of those companies, those businesses that you want to go into, it's a lot better, a lot easier if you know somebody inside. So for me, that's how I got my job at Accenture, because it was through a referral who works here, like my friend who works here now. And and to be honest, like most of the jobs that I've had, like 90% of them at least are through referrals, because people work there and like they know me or we're friends, or like, you know, so definitely like start networking early. And the other good thing about networking is that you get to, learn about the industries, right? Like if you network with somebody right now, like let's say for example, you're thinking about computer science, but you're not sure yet, if you reach out to me and we connect, like you get to build that relationship, and you also get to see a little bit more about what it's like to do this kind of job. So if you have questions, you can ask me, we can connect, and I can help answer anything like that you might be wondering about. So definitely like reach out to people in the industry and start making those connections early because it's gonna go a really long way. The other thing I would say that y'all can start doing is start getting some experience either through internships or through personal projects. Those are the two key things that I think, like, as a student, that's what everyone, at least for the field that I'm in, I can't speak for every single field out there, but for what I learned and for what I'm doing, like the industry that I'm in, I would definitely recommend doing projects and trying to get as much internship experience as you can. It's super good to like get that experience, but it's also gonna really like good. It's gonna look really good on your resume, and at the same time, like you get to solve problems that you might have, or you like people that might have a problem. You could use software and projects to actually solve those problems. So yeah, I met people that did that in college, and I picked up some of those projects myself, and I think that's what really like helped me get better at developing. It even helped me like tackle some problems that like that I saw. So definitely like look into doing those as early as you can. And the third thing I want to say is for software development, if you want to be a developer, if you want to learn anything about like the tech space, you can start learning right now on Google, on YouTube. Just look things up that you're interested in, and there's a bunch of tutorials, there's a bunch of free resources out there that are gonna help you like build that foundation. Like I've met so many people that work in the tech space that don't have a college degree. So yeah, a college degree is gonna help you, but it doesn't guarantee you a job, and it also like I said, like you can still get a lot of that experience outside of college. So for sure, if you're interested in any of this stuff that I'm talking about, like you could start learning right now. Yeah, so I'll just leave it at that. And if y'all have any questions, I'm gonna put a little like slide right here in the video of my contact information. You guys could reach out to me. I'll put my website, arturocreates.com, and you can reach out to me. You can email me, connect with me, and if you have questions about like either college or about the tech industry, then I can definitely answer anything that comes my way.